Welcome aboard, we are Tanya and Stephen, and you have just been cleared for adventure. Buckle up as we take you flying, traveling, and living our best life. Let's go. Welcome back. Today is Wednesday. It is our second full day at Osh 26, but it is the third day of Oshkosh week, and it is 7 a.m. this morning. We were awoken with planes going by at 6 a.m., as you're going to hear one going by right now. If you are not an early bird like 6 or 6:30, then this may not be a good place for you to be. I'm going to hopefully not be yelling at you with the planes coming in for the day. Wednesday is a big day. They have their first massive fireworks. I will be doing a video on that as well, coming later on. So I do look forward to bringing you Wednesday. It was a little cooler last night. It dropped down the temp, so it was a little bit more chillier. But other than that, we are having a great time here at Osh. I have been updating to some people. Some of my subscribers and followers may have seen tidbits of the air show already, but the full videos will be coming to you in the next couple of weeks. And we are just excited and so happy to be able to do this, to be able to fly from Peterborough to Oshkosh, Wisconsin, to the biggest international air show. If you're not sure, or this is your first time clicking on this video, you'll have a little backstory. Stephen and I fly a 1969 Mooney across the country. We have been all over. Our winter vacation usually is from Peterborough, Ontario, down to Florida into Bahamas. So this is a little shorter of a jaunt for us. So yeah, stay tuned. If you're new here, please subscribe to Cleared for Adventure. We are so excited to have you along, and we hope you have a great day. How we get around? Sometimes you get lucky and you get a golf cart in.
Yeah, probably was the Sporties, yeah. I thought it was an
Getting his headset like that.
No, this is a headset 10. Is that the first one, right? On the middle display? Yes. Right there, top up there.
The 12-year high. Okay. Yeah, I know they have full fence. Boss, like their big one. All right. Let me know. So we're good to go.
Right.
All right, sir.
I would like to
The Michelin Man.
Real quick. That's right. That's why you can come back tomorrow.
For all the ladies in aviation, there's a beautiful pink plane. we are just walking around, enjoying the sights, the sounds, the very loud noise of the planes going by. Today's a beautiful day. We have cloud coverage, which is nice. It's not as hot, but it's still warm. And we're just wandering around, enjoying the grounds, checking out all the planes. And as I say, there's so much for everybody to see here. You do not always have to be a aviation enthusiast to enjoy this wonderful show. Do not miss the end of the video. It's the fireworks. Bahamas booth here at the International Air Show, explaining to people how to get into Bahamas, flying your private plane. But as most know, we have done this and met our friends Karen and Alex. We look forward to going back to see Karen and Alex again. We miss you guys. Once you get a visa, when you enter into Bahamas, you can go to all these other islands. Maybe next time.
Those are ones that go like snap.
Look at this brand new Corvette. What a beautiful machine. What a cool looking display, all pink and blue. That's really interesting.
Oh, okay.
That's really cool. You get a lot of merch here, a lot of different giveaways. Look at the size of this thing for off-roading. Wow, it's huge. This young lady here, Rachel's Jewelry, she built this jewelry line and clothing, as you can see, and there's a few other little things. She built this in order to be able to buy her own plane. We have seen this story from her last year. We came across this trailer, and I think it's an amazing story. Women in aviation is pretty slim. It's starting to pick up again, but having women pilots, I think it's great. And this is one way that she was able to afford to buy her own plane and get her pilot's license. Good for her. Great job, Rachel. I just want to take a moment and say that if you are not into aviation, but you're here supporting somebody that is a pilot or into aviation, I personally love aviation. I love flying. I love traveling. But there's something here for everyone. There's people with jewelry. If you're into possibly purchasing a new motorhome, they have that. You can buy tools here. You name it, you can buy it. Tons and tons of food. So if you're wondering, what can I do if I'm not into aviation? There's so much more you can do. And look around and enjoy the fireworks show that's coming tonight. If you're at Oshkosh 26 and you are looking for great coffee, check out Hangar 22 Coffee Roasters at Beechcraft. And they're free all week long. Check them out. And they are Canadian. The founder is Canadian. They knew what Double Double was. The National Guard here. Army National Guard. just on the tram heading back to our campsite. We're going to relax for a little bit, hydrate a little bit, change for the big show. We are going to be meeting our friends for a dinner. We have done this in the years past, and we truly enjoy spending time just talking and chatting in it and talking about our experiences. And here we are.
You know what? I've been trying to get these guys to try PPGs. They're still fixed wing pilots, but one of these days you might get the inspiration and courage to go hang their butt in the wing.
Deb, turn around, look over your left shoulder there. If that's not something that thrills you, three of them stacked up in the sky. A beautiful Wisconsin evening, the golden hour.
So when they turn and start to go down around the pattern, and they get out over there in the sun and the clouds, it's a beautiful photo op. You watch, he shut off his motor, the repair motor, and he just brings it in, pulls both arms down, puts the brakes, stands up and runs. Beautiful job.
That looks nice and warm. We are excited to bring you the Wednesday night show, fireworks and air show. Beautiful.
I was hoping there was like a whole bunch of planes taking off. That's what I was trying to aim for.
You might wonder why we mute this part of the video with the fireworks, because with the show they add music, and usually it's popular music. So you might wonder why we don't use the popular songs in the videos. The simple answer is copyright. Even if we buy the song or give credit to the artist or only use a short clip, we still would not get monetized on the videos that are using copyrighted songs. Just so you know why you're hearing nothing in some of the video, or I'm over talking the video. Usually at this time of the year when we are here watching these fireworks, it is a lot warmer. This year it is 10 degrees. We're wearing hoodies and sweaters and jackets and hoods up over our heads. It is a cool evening. We actually left a little early due to the fact that it was a lot cooler, but in fact it worked out great for us because we got to see a better show as we were walking up the hill a little bit. Wednesday is actually the busiest day, or at least I think so. We're up at 6 a.m., we're having our breakfast, our coffee. We go into the event because the camping is a little outside of the busy part of the event. And we're walking around all day and it's hot and we're getting a little dehydrated. So we find that, I do anyway, find that Wednesday is our busy day, and then we, in the past and this year again, we have met with our friends for dinner. We all get together and have a lovely dinner, and then we watch the fireworks show together as a group. And as you can see here, the video is absolutely beautiful. The fireworks are awesome. The thing is being so cold this year, it just kind of threw everybody off. So some people left a little early. They didn't get to see the ending of the fireworks. And that's okay. We're not here to provide any entertainment to anybody while we're here. Everybody does their own thing. We meet together if we feel like it in the evening. Everybody does their own thing. And that's why we love traveling with this group of people. As you can see, as we're starting to walk back to our plane and campsite, the view of the fireworks just got a lot better. So sometimes it's great to be up front, and other times, as you can see here, look at the view. It is beautiful. And in fact, I have said in the past, and I'll say it again this year, it is one of the best fireworks I have ever seen. It's one of the reasons a lot of people travel hours during the day on Wednesday just to come for this show. What a fabulous show. And we are heading back to our plane and campsite. What an amazing Wednesday. It was busy. We had great food with our friends, and we shared stories of the day and the week. If you are a pilot or an aviation enthusiast, this has to be on your bucket list. If you enjoyed today's adventure, hit subscribe. Until next time, stay curious and stay cleared for adventure.